And this is the Protect Life first aid kit. And the only thing we've used out of it so far is Band-Aids. And we need some more Band-Aids today because somebody who is blind was out walking and tripped over a hose across the sidewalk, across the trail, and smashed up her arm a little bit, scratched it, scuffed it, abraded it, whatever you want to say. So we're going to get some more Band-Aids and some more alcohol prep pads and get her cleaned up, and I'll just show you that here. Okay, so you can see this abrasion here on her wrist.
Yeah.
We're going to use the little alcohol prep pad and... Do you want to do that?
It hurts.
Does it hurt?
Oh, yes, it stings.
Well, here you go. Clean that up a little bit. And I'll get a Band-Aid here out of the first aid kit. Ooh, it's, yeah, the little piece of skin is hanging off there.
Yeah,
so
that's probably going to have to get chewed off.
Trimmed.
Oh, is that what the technical word?
Yes.
Okay.
We have some scissors actually in this little first aid kit. Ooh, let me find them. I saw them earlier. There they are. I don't know if they'll cut skin or not. They're probably designed for cutting the bandages and stuff. But let me get another alcohol prep pad to clean the scissors. And then we will, I don't know if they'll trim the skin or not. Okay, down. Put your elbow down. I know, but I gotta have a... Oh, look at how that just cut that little piece of skin off. How about that? Don't put that back on there again.
Or I haven't touched anything else.
Okay, and then we're going to take this Band-Aid and apply it. Try not to touch the cottony part there.
Thank you. Ooh.
Ta-da! There you go. First aid kit in action. Minor casualty number 1.